If you're about to transition to a new accounting system and want it to go smoothly without missing a beat, this quick 3-minute guide is exactly what you need. I've tried all the most popular tools out there, and by the end, I'll share the one that made switching systems not only simple, but genuinely stress-free. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial linked below for viewers of my channel to follow along. Let's get into it. First, don't just shut down your old system cold turkey. Instead, run both systems in parallel for at least one full cycle, whether that's a month or a quarter. This gives you a safety net while ensuring your reports and balances stay accurate during the transition. Next, export everything cleanly. I'm talking chart of accounts, client vendor lists, invoices, receipts, payroll data, every relevant report. Most accounting software will let you export to CSV or Excel. Double check that nothing's missing before moving forward. Now it's time to set up your new system properly from the start. Don't just plug in data, organize it. Customize your chart of accounts to match your actual business activities. Create categories that reflect how you want to see your financials. And if you're not sure, most systems include templates for common industries to help you get started fast. Once the setup is done, import your data methodically. Start with your account structure, then bring in customer vendor data, followed by open invoices, and finally historical transactions. Avoid importing everything blindly. Use this opportunity to clean up duplicates and old records you don't need anymore. Here's a huge tip most people overlook. Reconcile immediately. After importing, run balance checks and compare reports in the new software with your old one. If something's off, fix it now, not later when tax season is breathing down your neck. And don't forget to train your team. A new accounting system is only as smooth as the people using it. Even if the interface is user-friendly, a 30-minute training session can save hours of mistakes and confusion down the road. Throughout this tutorial, we've been using the software I personally recommend. It's intuitive, powerful, and ideal for smooth transitions. If you want to follow along using the same tool, I've linked an about exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel in the description. It's not available anywhere else. So what's the key takeaway? A smooth transition to a new accounting system comes down to planning, clean data migration, immediate reconciliation, and clear training. If you skip any of those steps, you're risking messy records or worse, compliance issues. Quick recap. Run both systems side by side for a cycle, export everything cleanly, set up the new system thoughtfully, import in order, reconcile right away, and train your team. If you want the process to go even smoother, I recommend grabbing the exclusive free trial of the software we used. It's in the description below, and it's only available through this channel. Thanks for watching. Now go make that transition smooth and stress-free.